Wow, look at that. Whole building. Look at the size of this building. Wonder what's going there.
I don't know.
Hi.
Hello, how are you? I'm doing great.
Good. Thank you so much. Have a great
Thank
time.
you, you too. Uh-oh. Look, you're either doing 23 or 17.
I'm not doing 23.
Now you're doing 16. But for a second it said you were
I
doing
think it was
23.
that car. No, it was that car over there.
Yeah, okay. Speak. All right, Theme Park Ohana here. We just made a little bet. I am predicting her in this ugly raincoat thing she's wearing will be randomly selected for a security screen check. Me too? Yep. Both of us? See that thumbs up? I lost that bet. I'm gonna try to upgrade Jen's ticket with my good looks. Let's see how this goes. Have you ever been selected for a security check?
Never. I've never been.
She has. Well, she does look suspicious, but you do kind of look innocent.
Never in my life been asked for a security check.
She gets every time something in her eyes.
Yeah.
Probably the hatred from 17 years of marriage. Woman, stop. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you the latest 2017 Gold Annual Pass member.
Can we make sure it works first?
Sure, but let's look at this pin. They give us this really cool pin. But don't die. Cars
The new Cars 3 pin.
Yes! And I got one too. Hold on. Yes! All right, I totally tried to do this video once already. Breaking news. Veronica, Nathan, guess what we're doing at
7:05. Toy Story Mania.
But Veronica has to work this weekend. Babe,
He's still here.
he's still here. Look,
Oh yes.
red carpet stitch. We named him. Well, we named him with our friends Veronica and Nathan. We're still waiting for him to have a real name badge like the other stitches. Can we bubble that up? Is there a possibility we can bubble that up? No. Do that again. Come back in. Nate and Veronica fought their way through this door the other night, and if they would have only known.
Enter exit right here.
Right here. Were they Smiths, Adams?
Sir?
Smiths, Adams?
No, everybody!
Oh, I know all about it.
Did you get into it?
No, I missed out.
He ran for it.
Yeah, I want one.
Over there for a second.
What's about to happen?
We're gonna take a family photo.
We've only seen this in epic YouTube video channels.
We haven't been able to participate in one yet, so we're excited.
Yes.
What?
We just had our first family picture.
It was awesome.
Oh my God, I hope it came out as good in the videos. Ah!
So Lee was totally like, why are you going down here? Nothing's changed. I was curious as to whether or not the pile of dirt got bigger, but I'm very glad I came down here because they now have a photo op meet and greet with Cruz Ramirez from the new Cars 3 movie. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
What did you say about me?
I said, he told me not to come down here, and I found the coolest thing when
Jeremy,
I did.
she's lying. All right, we're gonna go.
We're next.
Are we loud?
How are you guys? Hi!
Yes!
No, it's alright when you guys come on in. There's a no touch rule. Just don't touch it.
No touchy.
touchy.
Ryan, how are you? Yes. Wow.
She's beautiful.
This is impressive. Look, the piston cup.
You gonna like get in the picture?
Yes, I am. Look, take a picture of us. Look, we're videoing our picture being taken. Look, Ryan does an amazing job.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ryan. Look at the Peter Pan Viewmaster. John Harrison Little, look at this. Did you have this? Do you have this? If not, I'll come back. Maybe see what I can do. Barter for it, maybe. What do you think? You think they'll trade me something for it?
Maybe.
Not. All right, any final words before I beat you?
It's on Donkey Kong.
No, it's supposed to be on. It's on like Donkey Kong.
Not good at this.
Wait, so are we battling you, sir? Yeah, we're gonna beat you. Just know that now, okay?
Okay.
Is this your first time? All right, so if we lose, it's embarrassing for us. All right.
Yeah. Congratulations.
Good luck.
He
Good
graduated high
luck.
school.
Oh, we're playing someone that graduated high school?
Yeah, he's wearing his graduation Mickey here.
All right, so.
And it's his first visit.
All right, let's beat him.
I feel bad just
We better be best of the vehicle. We better be best of the vehicle. I'm worn out.
Come on, dear. Damn it, I'm a carrier. I broke 200.
No way! No way! No way! What did you end up getting?
118,000.
Oh no. She got 200 and...
Yeah, I saw that.
200 and something. She cheated. I watched her.
Good game.
Yes, thank you. She cheated. Just, can we report her? Yes. Hey, I heard Launch Bay cast members are the best in all the lands. No?
Not all the galaxy?
Oh. Wow.
Tricky.
You blew my mind. I'm out of here.
We had to start from here.
Oh, we have to start this way.
Because it all started in a galaxy.
Far, far away.
Gotcha.
Thank you. Whoa. So you're a Jedi? What does that color signify?
It's a guardian. We help protect the innocent. Green stands for a diplomat. And of course, red stands for the dark side.
Awesome. Thank you for the information.
Thank you.
Ooh, look at that. He's ready to go. Are you nervous? No, that's right. He's a good guy. Yeah, he's a good guy. Hi. Here. How you doing?
The short facade of light to those around you, but I can see what it fades. The dark side calls you. Don't fight it. You can't.
I'm probably going to get promoted soon. No?
Yes, sir. Scanning here. Scan complete, sir. Thank you.
Go now and begin your training. Are you ready?
Training!
You got to scan your band. Goofball. Gosh, you're so excited to join the dark side.
No, I'm actually nervous. Good versus evil. Oh, it's the epic battle of good versus evil. Mom versus daughter. Alright, so we just had an amazing experience with Chewbacca.
Chewie, I love him. Oh, he's gonna give the best hug.
He forgave me for wearing a Darth Vader shirt.
Wait, ready? He actually walked into Chewie wearing this. I wish I would have realized when he came out of the house.
Careful, citizen.
Careful.
Resistance fighters in the area.
Jen.
I'm keeping my eye on you.
Ah, I didn't do anything. Look at my shirt. Look at my shirt.
Wait, Stormtrooper.
I'm good.
That is affirmative.
I'm good.
Attention. We have a friend of the dark side.
Look, another one. We're all together.
Affirmative.
Man. He dabbed. He dabbed.
Slow it down. Coming.
This is the guy that tried to beat us in Toy Story. Now we have him in good light. His parents left him alone, even though he graduated. I guess you graduated now, so you can go on.
We don't want him to get in trouble with
Yeah,
BB-8.
I already got in trouble with Chewbacca. Now it's Cars 3, baby. There goes our Penguins fans, friends.
Alright, BB-8's ready for you.
All right, BB-8. You ever see one of these, BB-8? Where it's like a selfie video. Yeah, you ever see one of these?
Very interesting. We have not.
What do you think? No? You're not very impressed. Oh my God. I never knew. This is epic. Another family picture. Who knew I had this much family? Yes! And my sister's here again. I never knew. Look at this. Our family is huge. So big. Twice tonight. Look, they're running in. Hey, cousin. I forget your name.
Oh no, you don't want no money.
I challenged this 30 minutes. I think it's a walk-on.
Well, let's see. Let's see.
What's going on?
It is 8:10.
She's holding Olaf captive. What are you doing with Olaf?
He doesn't look very comfortable.
He likes to play.
Is this the meet and greet right here?
It is.
Oh, great.
This is the mini meet and greet.
Let's do it.
Nice to meet you.
Let's do this. Hey, we're getting our mini meet and greet. We met Olaf. Thanks. Oh my goodness. I'll hold that. Is it as warm as you thought it would be?
It was so much better. Thank you all. Oh, my heart's melting.
Olaf, you're so awesome. I'm not taking pictures though. Thank you, Olaf. You're the best. Ooh. Oh, a kiss. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Another hug. And but it's warm. Can I take a video of that? Do you mind?
My name tag?
Yes. Ashley is from Endor.
Yeah,
Hey, Ashley, where is Endor?
It's in a galaxy far, far away.
Oh my God. Ashley, right?
Ashley.
Ashley gave
Ashley
us
from Endor.
Ashley from Endor, who we met here at.
I can't type.
Where are we? I forget.
Backlot Express.
Yes, because Jen wanted to have a cupcake. And what a great interaction. We can't wait to go give her positive feedback. The Twilight Zone Tower of Terror. This place seems a little shady, is it alright?
Oh, you'll find it to be most accommodating, actually.
Oh, okay.
Very cozy and vintage.
Oh, thank you.
Hopefully you'll become a permanent resident.
What's that mean? Permanent resident? Are you having second thoughts? Are you sure? It's right over there. It's an exit. I've seen so many families torn apart by the Force. No more. Paging Mr. Morrow, look at this. This is amazing. I don't know, what was it?
When I beat you on Toy Story.
We never rode that. So I don't,
Right.
she's
I have photographic evidence.
Crazy.
Oh, that's amazing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, literally.
Good thing I'm recording this. Wait, where can I do a complaint? Is this where complaints happen? It's like you knew we were coming. Thank you.
You're welcome. It was fun.
Alright guys, so our camera, the cat is attacking me. Our camera died right as we're doing our outro last night. We had a great time. I hope you guys enjoyed it following us. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like following us so you can keep up on our adventures, and we'll catch you guys next time.